Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna go install a speaker on Brandon's Can-Am. Let's get it. Just got here to Brandon's house.
What's up?
About to install the speaker. Shout out to my sponsor, KSPEAKER. Go check them out. Use promo code Chito. Let's get it. Got the seats out. Let's run the wiring now. Here we're doing a little test run. Make sure everything works properly.
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me.
From bullshit. If I own one, then she gotta get abortion. Keep it P, let her choose up, don't force it. Time a nigga out, now it's blood on my forces. I can't have one, bitch.
Finally got it installed.
Let's go time this one up right now.
Oh yeah.
Views, I can schedule your appointment. Hella bathrooms, take a shit in their toilet. My diamonds, they dancing, these bitches.
No, that was George, no? Didn't George break his wrist on the bike? Yeah, fuck it. Yeah. I'm not gonna put my seatbelt on.
Should I turn it on?
I couldn't stay out. Call top of hell when it's time to bring the K out, bitch. I be fucking around. Run around town, I be fucking around. Nerd around, I be fucking around.